Can we see who shared your Instagram post? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can see who has shared our Instagram post. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Insta. After you open it up, you will see your profile and your posts. Now, if someone has shared your post, you will see an icon right here that says shared and the number of shares. Now, you cannot actually see it right now, but let's try something. Let's head over to our settings and activity, scroll down all the way, and right under here you will see for professionals. Under here, head over to account types and tools and switch it to professional mode. Now simply choose your professional mode, make your account professional mode, which will give you an option or which will give you much more settings through which you will just be able to, check out more insights on your post. So open up a post and you will see a view insight option. Tap on view insight and there you should see how many people have liked, commented, saved and shared your post. Now if you scroll down, you will see the interactions and you will be able to see your number of shares. You will also get a lot of other information such as who has viewed your information. But at the end, you cannot actually see who has shared your Instagram post. And yeah, there is no current update or there is no feature which allows you to see who has shared your Instagram post. And I hope they do add this feature in Instagram later on in their updates. And yeah, I hope this answers your question, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.